YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to back up your iPhone and other iOS device. This could be a tablet, any. This is an iPhone 6. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to go around with this. In our case, we have our iTunes opened, and this process is very easy and very simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my iPhone. I have iTunes opened and this phone needs to be updated. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon you see for the phone, and this will bring us to this menu. Actually, it is summary. Then what you see here, you see backups, and we have iCloud, we have this PC. So I want you to back up on the PC, and this process will take a few seconds. When you say backup, it will ask you whether you want to encrypt the data or in our case, we are not going to encrypt anything because I'm going to transfer this data to this phone. So I don't need to encrypt anything because it won't work with the other phone. So I'm going to say don't encrypt, and our iPhone will start to back up, and this is by names of Sailor, Tricks, iPhone. I'm going to help him how to update and back up his phone. So this is the process we are going through, and you have to wait for the process to finish. You have to wait for the process to finish. So our backup is done. So the next thing you can do when you are done backing up, you can always come back here and restore your iPhone from here. So this shows that we just backed up a few seconds back. This is 11 o'clock 17 minutes, as you can see down here. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, comment, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Also, don't forget to comment if you need any help. I'll be able to reply in a few seconds. Goodbye.